This new AI music video generator actually understands your track. Most tools need tons of prompts and editing, but this did everything automatically for me.
You stand so still in the middle of the rush. Faces blur on past, but you don't feel enough. I see your hands holding on to my last name. You keep the blame, like it keeps me here the same. Oh my love, don't you fold in on yourself. Oh my love, I'm not lost inside your guilt. It wasn't your fault, it was my time.
Hey, Nova here at Madam AI Studio. Today, Mila's going to walk you through the tutorial.
Hey everyone, I'm Mila. Today, I want to introduce a tune-changing tool that turns your songs into stunning music videos with total ease. I've got a little surprise for you. You can actually start using this tool with 3 credits. I'll break down all the details on how to get them later in the video, so don't go anywhere. Here we have Tunee. They focus specifically on music videos, and building the right characters to fit your track. All right, let's see how it actually works. You can just use your Google account to log in and get started. Now, this is the user dashboard on Tunee. You can see the main categories here: music, video, and characters. Clicking into each one reveals its specific tools where you can easily manage your settings, choose your models, and customize everything in one place. Entering the video section, we'll start by selecting our character and uploading the audio file here. For this demo, I'm utilizing the agent mode via the one-click feature. I've selected Seedance as the primary AI model, though you have the flexibility to choose from their advanced models as well. Other features, such as motion control and lip sync, are located at the bottom. And here are some videos created by other users. You can check them out, enjoy the visuals, and get some great ideas for your own projects. Now let's focus on the first step, selecting or creating a character for our project. The platform offers 3 methods for character creation. You can clone, design, or upload a pre-made character. Right here, you can choose from a variety of ready-to-use characters or grab some cool ideas from them to create something unique. Now let's move on to the characters. I'm working with 3 different characters today. 2 have already been added to the library, and now we're going to upload the primary character, the vocalist, together. After uploading the character file and confirming, we move to the stage to enter the name and character type. Review the description carefully. You can edit it here if needed. As you can see, I'm adding singer to the details now. This section requires a character sheet for better character recognition. You have the option to upload an existing sheet or generate a new one within the platform by providing a style reference image. While this section is optional, I recommend completing it for better results. You can follow the provided examples to upload a proper reference photo and then enter any final prompts in the field below. Character done. Now, in the Video tab, just pick your character and drop your music file. Since mine is already uploaded, I'll grab it from here. Just a quick tip, you can use Suno to make your music first, then use Tunee to visualize it. It's honestly the best workflow. After the upload is complete, you have the option to select a segment or utilize the platform's capability to generate a music video up to 6 minutes in length, completely edit-free. I'll be processing the full track now to demonstrate the efficiency of this tool. I'll be using the one-click, agent mode, with the Seedance 2 model. I'm initiating the process now, and the AI will handle the full production based on the uploaded audio. We can see here that the agent has successfully analyzed our audio and extracted precise metadata. It demonstrates a complete understanding of the track's structure and mood, which is a significant leap for AI video generation. Here's where you pick your video's style. If your character doesn't quite match the vibe yet, no problem. Just enable the Generate Styled Character Portrait option right here to fix that instantly. The platform offers 3 distinct creative modes: story, visual, and lip sync. I will be demonstrating the results of each one later, but we'll begin with story mode. This is the ideal choice for the long-form narrative-style music video I have in mind. Okay, let's add our other characters now. I'm pulling in Maya and Liam, the two I set up before we started. Now our team is complete. All right, let's do a quick check on the settings and move on to the next step. So the AI just generated this whole script, breaking it down every 12 seconds or so with specific scenes. The way the lyrics line up with the visuals is spot on. It really gets the song, and it handled my full 5-minute track all by itself. Zero extra work needed from my side, and honestly, that's just brilliant. Each element in the music video is detailed here for your review. You have the option to modify the entire script if needed. However, I'll proceed with the default settings to fully demonstrate the platform's autonomous capabilities. Now, it's time for the visual design phase, creating the actual elements and scenes for our music video. This part is already beautifully laid out with detailed descriptions based on our music's analysis. Once we give the final OK, the tool will start generating all the scenes automatically. As the generation progresses, you can implement lip sync at precise timestamps, download individual segments, or modify prompts for regeneration. I will maintain the original AI output to demonstrate its autonomous design capabilities. I've prepared a short preview of the track to showcase the results within this video's timeframe.
Like it keeps me here the same. Oh my love, don't you fold in on yourself. Oh my love, I'm not lost inside your guilt. It wasn't your fault, it was my time. The stars were moving, I was out of line. It wasn't your fault.
The clip you just saw was 100% AI generated, with zero input from me. But now, I want to show you how to get more creative with the Modify feature. I'm going to repeat the steps, but this time I've trimmed the track to a specific part. Since these parts are repetitive, let's skip right ahead to the Modify section. We are now at the Modify section, where I'll be customizing the script. I'm inputting my specific requirements, including scene layouts, atmospheric moods, and character traits. This allows me to guide the AI to produce a result that aligns perfectly with my creative direction. As you can see, the script has successfully been regenerated to align with my custom inputs. This new output is far more accurate to my requirements, so I will proceed with this version for the final production. Check out the visual assets. If any of these don't look right to you, just swap them out. You can refine them or completely change the prompt. It's all about making sure every single detail is perfect before we move on. All our scenes are ready. Take a look through them, and if something doesn't catch your eye, no worries. Just change the prompt and rebuild it. Also, don't forget you can add lip sync to these new scenes too, exactly like we did earlier. All right, let's check out the changes together.
Oh my love, I'm not lost inside your guilt. It wasn't your fault, it was my time. The stars were moving, I was out of line. It wasn't your fault. Let the hurt go. Your days are still opening, mine are all closed.
The output is impressive, but for a professional-grade music video, we need to utilize the full range of available features and models. I will guide you through the process of combining these assets. First, we must analyze the unique characteristics of each model and feature to understand their specific use cases. Okay, let's look at our options: story, visual, and lip sync. The lip sync mode is pretty self-explanatory, right? Basically, if you're looking for that perfect, high-quality lip syncing for your music video, this is the mode you should go for when creating those scenes. Story mode is designed for narrative-driven content, focusing on emotional arcs and atmospheric consistency. It is the ideal choice for tragic or romantic genres. Consequently, for this specific music video, I will prioritize this mode as the foundation to maintain a coherent and impactful storyline. Visual mode prioritizes aesthetic excellence and sensory stimulation. It excels at beat syncing. ensuring that transitions and visual elements align precisely with the music's rhythm. This mode is highly recommended for abstract projects or sequences that rely heavily on complex visual effects and high-fidelity imagery. In summary, for a professional result, use story mode as your foundation for the overall plot. Integrate visual mode for high-fidelity, rhythmic sequences, and apply lip sync for precise character vocals. This hybrid approach ensures a high-quality, cinematic music video that stands out. So, you guys are taking notes on all these tips I'm sharing, right? For my video, I've selected a specific part to process with lip sync. Since the steps are the same, I won't repeat them. Just watch how I select the lip sync option. You generally have two models here. One, which is perfect for a natural-looking, realistic appearance and supports both dynamic and static upper body shots. And Infinite, which is designed for long-term stability and continuous one-take shots without any cuts.
Your days are still opening, mine are all closed.
All right, for the grand finale, I'm using visual mode. You already know the drill. Everything is exactly the same. Just make sure you click on visual instead of the other modes. Super simple, right? Time for a quick comparison. Watch how the same scene changes between story and visual modes. I must emphasize, while visual mode might look flashier, but it's not ideal for a full narrative. Save it for those short, high-impact moments to keep your story coherent. And here's the surprise I promised. You can start for free. Just by signing up, you'll get 200 credits, enough for a 15-second Seedance 2.0 video. Plus, you can log in daily to claim 100 free credits every single day, forever. No credit card needed. Well, I hope today's tutorial was helpful for you. Thank you so much for always being by our side and supporting the channel. Love you guys. Stay safe until the next one. Bye for now.